got very contemporary feel to it. So they've given me a very short choli, and they want it to look urban. At the same time, it to have that royal era of Jaipur and the whole architecture and the history of Jaipur, urban approach to the heritage and the culture of our country and Jaipur.
I really like the jewelry because I think it's finished very well. And the quality of the stones, you feel very good wearing it because it's not just the look. Like your ears are still there, they haven't fallen off. Your neck, you've not got a headache. So it's light, unlike the old jewelry, which was to be very heavy. So he's got the old design, and yet it is comfortable, and I hope within our reach and not extremely. So I actually love the ruby, and I quite fancy this ring myself.
Rudi Chamke, my song, I sang for all these, which I always love. So naturally there was soul. Because what I agree with you, that all these poochis and bangdis, I know the traditional name of all jewelries, and the way you have made them in a modern way, lighter, is still that ethnic touch is there. So I enjoyed walking the ramp. But
being a part of it, and I want to especially thank the choreographer Achla Sasdev for making the show look superb. The women always look lovely, but tonight was very special with all these beautiful women, and the models, they were all super. And about what you asked me, I think, we men love accessories, we love to be embellished. And in cities, what we do is we buy an expensive watch, or we buy a watch which complements us. But I'm very glad that he came up with an idea like this. And me being a Rajput, I've been seeing when I go for my weddings, our family weddings, we do carry the sword, and like I said, the embellishments. It's a matter of pride. It makes you think about your history, your past, and what your ancestors have gone through. It feels very good.
राजस्थान में बंजारन भी हैं, मीना भी हैं, पर आज की रात रॉयल्टी को, रीगल उसको समर्पित की गई थी. So I don't think कि वहाँ तो बहुत रेंज है, and he is presenting Amer. When he said my jewelry is called Amer, इसका मतलब royalty, regal, diamond, gold, all these things. Okay?
और अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, अगर आप राजस्थान को देखेंगे तो इवन जो ट्राइबल एरियाज़ हैं ना, जो ट्राइब्स हैं जिनके पास पहनने को कपड़ा नहीं होता पर ज्वेलरी पहनते हैं,